Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Update, I don't know if that's necessarily the right word for this one, but definitely confirmation, and confirmation of essentially the levels I've talked about in past videos. So if you have watched past videos, I suppose this video will mean a little bit more to those of you, but even if you haven't, these levels are still definitely going to be pertaining to the chart. And really the main points of confirmation come via the moving averages, the purple line being the 50 period, the pink line up there being the 200 period, and both those being levels of resistance. And you can see over the past 24 hours, there was definitely a very nice move. There's no denying that. But surprise, surprise, look right where that move got rejected. And it makes that much more sense when you go back through the history of the chart. And you can see that this pink line has quite a bit of history of knocking it down. Now, there's no problem in regards to the price getting up above it. In each of those instances, the price was able to push slightly above it. But as far as maintaining up above it, that's where the bulls have always struggled. So going forward, it's not necessarily a matter of, well, can the price break above that pink line? The price can. It's a question of, can the price maintain above that level after it gets up above it? But as it stands right now, talking about that pink line is kind of pointless, given that the price actually fell all the way back down there. So before you even start talking about that pink line, the next key level, or I should say the first key level to keep an eye on, is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. And you can see after the price fell below it, when the price did make another go at it, now that purple line there is acting as resistance. So like I said, before you start talking about doing the anything with the pink line, the bulls first got to be able to push through that purple line there, which is that 50 period simple moving average. So if you're watching this, because remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, the first questions you need to ask yourself is, well, where does the price stand relative to the resistance levels here? In the event the price happens to be up above them, that would just be a sign that at that point in time, while you're watching this video, the bulls have really taken a big step in the right direction and are gaining quite a bit of strength. Now, on the flip side of things, the other point of confirmation and just the other level that you want to continue to watch is going to be via the green line down here at 42.5 cents. I've talked about this several times as support. And you can see that the price, did get right around that area, and a very nice bounce from that point right there. So along those same lines, if you're watching this video, 15 hours from now and the price is down below 42.5, well, that would be a sign that the bears have picked up quite a bit of strength, and now they're actually gaining in momentum. Or if you watch it and the price is still up above 42.5 but below that purple line, well, then that's just kind of a neutral chart right now. Not much has really occurred since the time of the recording that I'm doing this video. So ask yourself those questions and just see where the price is relative to these levels, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.